right, so check this out. This is our beach wagon right here that we are going to use to go to the beach. We're at Myrtle Beach today, playing an awesome beach day. This right here is a great beach wagon. Right here, it just collapses just like that, and you are good to go. This wagon is big enough to hold all of your beach gear, so we're going to load it up. So once you get it pushed down, you have this case right here that you can wrap around it when it's not in use. And that kind of gives it a little bit of extra protection right there, and also stores the case. So that's kind of nice. And then you just throw your gear right in here. I mean, who wants to lug a beefy chair like that, right? A camping chair and the beach tent, right? Nobody wants to lug that kind of stuff. So that's why you get your wagon. Get all that gear in there. All right, this wagon is officially full of everything we got going on today. We got a full wagon right here, plenty of beach supplies. So we're ready to go to the beach, so let's get going. Wow, that's really easy to pull. After loading this wagon with our chairs, tent, and everything else we needed for the beach today, it made getting to the beach a whole lot easier. For the load that I had, it pulled really easy through the sand, much easier honestly than I expected, and it saved us from carrying us all of this by hand. Of course, I bought a beach wagon, and somehow I'm still the one doing all the pulling.